Hello guys, here is I have Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, and you can see screen is cracked but touch is working, and also you can see frame is bent. It's not even, it's bent both side. I'm gonna change the screen with the frame one. It's gonna fix the problem band also. First we're gonna remove this SIM card tray, then we're gonna remove backside cover. We have to apply some heat. First we're gonna apply some heat on bottom side. Then with this knife we're gonna lift it up slowly, and then we're gonna use in alcohol. It is 99% alcohol. You can find in Walgreen or CVS. We're gonna remove this back cover all side. Then we're gonna remove this all screw. You almost remove this back cover just using alcohol outside. Also you can apply some heat and you can remove it, although you can remove it. We remove this back cover. Now we're gonna clean the previous glue outside. We're done with the clear the glue. Now we're gonna remove this all screw. This all screw are same, all are star screw. Remove one screw. I forget to remove one screw on camera side, but you guys can remove beginning. Bottom side we're gonna remove this all screw also. This all are also screw, same thing. This star screw. We remove all screw. Now you're gonna remove this back housing. Phone is on. We cannot turn off because there is a password. I don't know the password. So we're gonna, after remove frame, we're gonna remove this battery connection. And this side you have to be careful. This side volume flex. You want to lift it a little bit carefully, and there is one screw. I forgot to remove it. You have to remove it before opening back housing. So remove this back housing here, back frame, and now we're gonna remove this battery connection. And there is the screen connection and charging port connection. And I'm gonna remove this two antenna connection. And there is one screw which hold the motherboard. We have to remove that. Then we're gonna separate this motherboard. And bottom side we're gonna remove the charging port. First we're gonna remove this black screw. Then we're gonna remove this two connection. One is screen connection, one is charging port connection. And we're gonna remove this screen connection here. There is some glue. We have to use some alcohol and then remove. And then we're gonna remove the charging port and separate it from the old frame. Now we're gonna remove this vibration. You can apply heat and also use some alcohol. And here is the new screen. And new screen has it like volume flex and is ear speaker, so we don't need to remove from old screen. Now we're gonna remove this battery. Use some alcohol and then lift it up. Is lifted, is not a big deal. We're gonna use a knife to remove it. It's easy to remove it. And under that there is plastic. This is not very important, so we're gonna throw out this. You don't need it. and battery removed nicely. And just make it straight the battery with these plastic tools. You can see it straight. And now you're gonna install back motherboard and all parts. We remove it. First we're gonna install the motherboard, and then we're gonna put it back this black screw. And bottom side we're gonna put it back first vibration, and then we're gonna put it back this charging port. Then we're gonna put it back this black screw. Then we're gonna organize this antenna. Red one is goes down and blue one is goes on top. And we're gonna connect with the motherboard this two antenna connection. And here we have to apply some double side tape. Then press it down the screen connection. Now we're gonna put it back this battery. First we're gonna use double side tape on two side. Then we're gonna install the battery and just press it down. Now you're gonna connect the charging port connection and screen connection together, and there is the top side screen connection and charging port connection. And then you're gonna connect this battery. We're done here. Now you're gonna install the frame. First on top side, top right side, then left side. Just press it down. And connect this fingerprint plugs and power button. Now we're gonna turn on. We don't wanna put it back screw. First we're gonna check the screen, make sure touch everything work properly. This takes some time here. Yeah, touch is working. It's all good here. Now we're gonna insert the SIM card. Make sure network is there. Insert the SIM card, and you can see the Metro by T-Mobile here. Network is coming, and phone has a charge 100%. Still we're gonna plug it on charge. See, phone is plugged on charge. Yeah, it's full charge. That's when phone is charging. And now we're gonna put it back all the screw. It's all the screw are same. We did top side. Now we're gonna do bottom side. We are done with all the screw. Now clean all side. We already clean it, and here is the glue. We're gonna put it back all side. And we're gonna wait like 2 minutes. Then we're gonna put it back this back cover. There is I already clean it, and we're gonna press it down on camera side. There is some lock. Just need to press it down and press it down all side. This takes some time to dry. We're gonna clip it on like 1 hour or 2 hour. And you can see frame is even now. Is no bend no more. Bend also fix it. Now you're gonna put it back all clip and keep it 2 hour. After dry the glue, you're gonna remove it. So that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.